G'day guys. Okay, yesterday we started the tutorial on how to color a rainbow mushroom. Now, I'm aware that some people don't have a coloring book with mushroom in it, and they don't have any way of getting a picture of a mushroom. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to teach y'all how to draw a mushroom so you'll have something to color along with. Okay, first of all, what I need, and I don't have yet my mechanical pencil. You want to put a dot there and a dot there, and that's just how big a mushroom you want. You want a bigger one, you have to be wider. Now what we're going to do with these dots, we're going to draw a big old W. A big old U. Doesn't have to be perfect. Mushrooms aren't perfect. Okay, now that you've done that, we're going to cap it off. Just a real small cap there. Okay, we made a U and put a cap on it. Now, go below those two dots and make another dot. Then we're going to make a big old oval. Just like that. I might have messed up already. I think I got the oval. No. Then we're going to go like this. Might want to make that more. And it doesn't matter. This is just a draft. This is just a sketch. I sketch in blue. I don't know why. I've always sketched out blue. Okay. And there you have a mushroom. Now, mushrooms are all different, so yours ain't gonna look like mine. You see how all of these are different? See, this one just goes straight across. Now I'm gonna take my Copic multiliner and I'm going to make adjustments, alright? Maybe I don't want that big. Then I can adjust it and go over it with my Copic marker. Now I'm going to draw the cap of the mushroom right here where we went a while ago. Then we're just going to come around with that oval and stop. You don't have to add these in if you don't want to. And there is, where's my eraser? And there's a mushroom for you to color. So you can follow along with everybody. And like I said, it doesn't have to look like mine. Doesn't have to look exactly like these. But, you know, it just goes to show you, you know, you don't have to be exact. You know, that's not an exact example of, you know, of what we're doing. But I wanted to teach y'all, those out there that want to follow along with the rainbow mushroom tutorial, just draw your own and then follow along with us. Some people have a picture of a mushroom they can color, and you know, it doesn't matter what your mushroom looks like, you know, as long as you got your cap. That's what they call the top of it. And like, you know, there's a mushroom. Now, some of you can take a screenshot or whatever and then trace over it. Whatever you want to do, it's up to you. You know, you draw what you want to draw. And sometimes they don't have the rounded. Some of them go straight across, see? Looks like a muffin up there. This is just a triangle on top of it. So the sky's the limit on this. You draw what you, and all you need to know is this basic sketch that I just showed you. And you can rewind and watch it again as often as you need. So if you now you can go back and watch yesterday's video, Monday's video, and follow along. And then tomorrow I'm doing part 2 of, and it's a color along. You're gonna be able to color along with me. So we're gonna do this. And I thought I would put this out there real quick because, you know, like I said, I know some of y'all are wanting to do this, but they don't have. So the best thing I can do is show you how to do it. And my pen is a very fine tip pen. You can't hardly see it. So I'm just going to go in with a Sharpie. Like I said, it doesn't matter what it looks like, as long as you got something to follow along with. And like I said, none of them are perfect. Not even in the wild. Wild mushrooms aren't perfect. So, okay. Well, I'm going to leave you to this. If you're wanting to follow along, and you need to draw your mushroom if you don't have one. And I will see you guys tomorrow. So, the second part of the tutorial on how to color a rainbow mushroom. Peace out. Love you guys. Bye.